In front of me is Honor 200, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. Begin by going into Play Store and downloading free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flarto Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!